to talk a lot.
Je vais former une commission de propreté.
I will make a commission of cleanliness against azaka on behalf.
Azaka m'raille dans pays.
Azaka, I hate you in this
country.
country.
No,
I despise azaka in this country.
How many
people agree to hate azaka in this country?
Oh. Regardez,
when you go home, you need to control. If you see there's wearing things, wearing clothes, azaka has his antenna there. How many people are going to clean their house?
Oh, I
would like for you to do that, my friend. Like bottle of perfume for 50 years ago. Wearing clothes that you don't use. Sometimes they hide something, they say they like it. They hide the paste. They hide the toothpaste is done. They keep the wrap. This is of azaka. Some people, they keep the underclothes that's ripped because they love that underclothes. Underwear, even if it's ripped, they will throw it away. Come on, azaka out! Kick azaka out!
I don't have the time to visit,
but if I need to make a commission to kick azaka out of the Christian house, I will put out a commission. Remember,
commission retirew azaka.
Rentrer la caillou, c'est pour dire,
vieux bail pas fait ça.
This perfume, this bottle of perfume that is empty, why do you keep it?
Vieux radza.
This dress, this wearing shoes, some people, the shoes is ripped. They will keep it there. Kick azaka out. Some people have the drinking bottles. They have their cups. It's broken down. Even if it's broken down, they keep it. The hand of the cup is broken down. They're not going to throw it away. Keep it here as the antenna for azaka.
Opération de propreté dans l'église là.
Operation of cleanliness inside of the church. I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you things to you to talk a lot. I will make a commission of cleanliness against azaka. Listen well. In the commission of spend, I need to have cars, I need to have motorcycles. I go to your house with signs, dirty things, broken down things. You will pay amends. You need to be clean.
You will pay
your amends because you're dirty, you're filthy.
You pay amends d'avoir associé avec azaka.
Because you associate with azaka. I'm talking to you.
Et commission a bien droit pour l'entrée. Dans toute chambre.
The right to go into all the rooms.
Tout côté dans cuisine.
Everywhere in the kitchens.
Inspection, commission, inspection contre Zaka.
Inspection against Zaka.
De la midi. De l'Édipe de 33.
Of Édipe of 3rd Delma 33.
Au nom de.
In the name of Jesus.
Regardez, pour fatra moi dans pays ça.
For all the trash I see in this country. Even if we was going to take all the trash away, we could spend 3 months and we will not be done with it.
Azaka met fatra.
Azaka they put trash.
C'est pour président.
When they put trash, it's for the president, for the prime minister. They've signed a contract with them. And for all the people to absorb the trashes. Tonight,
dans le précieux nom de Jésus.
In the precious name of Jesus Christ.
I'm going to
start operation of zaka inside of you.
Par exemple, si vous remarquez que gens qui ont petit zaka dans tête, m'a contrôler.
Over here, I noticed some people that have little zaka in their head. The person drinking the water, they drop the wrap on the floor.
After
drinking the water, to drop the wrap on the floor. You see this? I haven't seen the person that did it yet. If it's an unbaptized member, I may not understand this. But if you're a baptized member, I'll take your membership card and you go take out this zaka from your head. And when you're done, you'll come back and become a member of the church. I didn't call you to come here. If you don't agree with this gospel, if you don't agree with this gospel, this is what I promise you. Bring me your blue membership card. I will give you $5,000 Haitian. Bring me the membership card. Bring me my membership card. Those people above, do you hear me? Bring me my membership card.
Rapidement, moun qui va dans la commission ça y a 4 même signé par apôtre amel lafleur. Pasteur.
Those who are going to be in the commission, you will have the card signed by Pasteur Amel.
Ouais. Ou vous en pile mal propriété et puis prend yo côté pour moi. Et puis mon nan
bring it for me so you can see me. And the person gonna have a ticket, a payable ticket. Take the card, the membership card also. The first thing you need to take. How come you dirty? How come you're going to heaven and you're a pig? How come the wrap on your dress, on your bed is dirty? How come under the bed has a lot of trash?
How
come under the bed has a lot of oranges? Peel of oranges under the bed. You see where I'm talking to you? I'm watching people in my house. It's as if I'm looking for the zaka and zaka is looking at me. I will catch them.